So if you're getting ready to set your table, you may want a centerpiece. Real flowers don't last long, and fake ones sometimes don't have the right look. Lauren Reichley, owner of Wildflowers and Sunshine, is here to show us a different option. So these are so beautiful. They're breathtaking. They give a different sort of look and feel. So what inspired this creation?
So I was just looking around to start my own business, and I love real flowers. That's where my passion started. And then I just stumbled across these and was like, you know what? I love them. I want to try my hand at them because I'm a creative person. And ordered inventory and started messing around with them, and now I do weddings and centerpieces all over the place. I do lots of different designs. I can make them look like succulents and anything. I mean.
Awesome. And talking about the centerpiece,
yes,
we actually have something so cute here, and we're gonna DIY our way there. So where do we start?
So we're gonna start with a little bit of the greenery here. So you can pick what leaves or eucalyptus. This is all natural, preserved greenery. I don't use anything artificial. I'm staying as eco-friendly as possible.
Okay, so like some bigger greenery maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we just break it off.
Break it off.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna actually have to clip this a little bit, right? Because
yes.
the stem's a little bit.
Got some.
Okay, so we got that. Just kind of stick it in this styrofoam?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And you know, let's talk about this. How did you come up with this idea?
With the boxes or the flowers?
With the boxes.
With the boxes. Well, I do a lot of workshops around Kansas City and pop-ups. So these are a fun little like mom's night out or Mother's Day craft that I offer.
And it's something that you two can do together?
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes, that's awesome.
Now let's go back to the wooden flowers. You know, how did you get started making those?
Well, like I said, I just kind of found them and said I love them. They come to me in a raw form, so I hand paint, hand dye, and then airbrush all the finishes on them. So like this was an airbrush finish.
That is so beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I can really create any kind of color scheme that you're looking for or any theme that you're looking for.
And then, you know, are there more color options, or are they mostly like within the pinks and oranges?
Any color options. Right now we're seeing a lot of the corals with spring, and in weddings that's kind of the color of the year. So we're doing a lot more corals and yellows, lots of fun, happy, bright spring colors.
Okay, well, talking about those happy, bright colors, do we start with larger flowers first? Okay,
yes,
let's
go
grab
ahead
some
and
go.
pick your larger flowers, whatever you feel like.
And can we grab this one too?
Oh yeah.
I don't know, this one was my favorite because it's dipped and it looks beautiful. How do you create something like this?
I was going with a succulent look with some of those.
Okay.
Right now my best seller is some succulent flower wreaths that you can hang on the door. They're gorgeous. So I was just, I Google a lot of pictures, or I buy the real thing and then just create it. I play around and hope I get it right.
Okay, well, I mean, it looks right to me. So wonderful. And then do we start filling in with some smaller flowers? Is that what we do?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I feel like mine are kind of taking up a lot of space, but is this good for a newbie, right?
Yeah, yeah, you're doing good.
She's at least like helping me out here. Okay, and then let's talk about this. You know, what is like the price comparison if you were gonna buy real flowers? I mean, these ones last all the time.
They do. So they're actually a reasonable, reasonably priced. Depends on the finish and how much I create with it, obviously. But they can actually be an affordable alternative for brides, especially when you look at like some of these big flowers in a bridal bouquet. They can run $12 to $15 a head, and it does not cost me near as much. But they can be a little more expensive than artificial, but again, they look better. They last forever. They're handcrafted. So you get that artisan touch to it. You're not having to settle for something that you kind of sort of like.
Well, and if you wanted to take the centerpiece approach, you can sure have fun flipping some of these around, because I see them just flying as we were making this. But thank you so much, Lauren. These are absolutely lovely.
You're welcome. Thank you.